How to log in into your Talbots Credit Card account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can head over to Safari. Let me head over to Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Talbots Credit Card Login. Different sites will be available to you, but head over to the very first site. Once you click on it, it will lead you to this page. At the very top, you can see the option where it says Sign In. Simply tap on it. You will be landing on this page. In this page, you simply have to enter your username and the password that you have created while creating your account. And if you want them to remember your login credential, simply click on the checkbox Remember Me. After that, click on Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, you will be logged into your Talbots Credit Card account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Talbots Credit Card account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.